Where to find Teddy in Animal Hospital Roblox? Want to revive teammates in Animal Hospital Roblox? Let's find the teddy bear tool. So the teddy bear is found in the supply shop once it opens during your shift. Head to the shop near the check-in booth. It costs 1,010 in game cash. Save your money early and buy it before tackling harder anomaly waves. The teddy bear revives one dead teammate instantly. It cannot be used on yourself, only on others. Study is a survival tool, not a medical supply. Treatments like herbs and meds are free, but Taddy directly saves lives in tough runs. So tips, save cash early, coordinate with teammates, only one teddy bear is needed, and buy it before anomaly waves get harder. Teddy is one of the most powerful tools in Animal Hospital. With 1,010 saved, you can revive teammates and keep the run alive. And that's the full breakdown.